The first indication of impending disaster came at about 6 p.m. लगभग 6 बजे सायं आने वाली आपदा का पहला संकेत आया। With an ominous silence, मनु शांति के साथ, the wind dropped and the sky immediately grew dark. ग्रीड हवा कम हो गई और आकाश जल्दी ही काला हो गया। Then came a growling roar and an enormous cloud towards after of the ship. तब एक बढ़ती हुई दहाड़ हुई और एक बहुत बड़ा बादल जहाज के पिछले भाग पर ऊंचाई पर छा गया। With I realized that it was not a cloud. मैंने महसूस किया यह बादल नहीं था, but a wave like no other. लेकिन यह लहरों की तरह था। I had ever seen. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा। It appeared perfectly vertical and almost twice the height of the other waves. वह एकदम पूरी तरह से खड़ी प्रतीत हुई और दूसरी लहरों से उसकी ऊंचाई लगभग 2 गुनी थी। With a frightful breaking crest. डरावने शिखर को तोड़ते हुए। Reference: These lines have been taken from the lesson We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Context में the writer started off his journey with his family by his ship in the sea. The writer describes about a fearful picture of the stormy. Explanation: when the writer drew his ship, the storm came. The writer was very afraid. The first indicate find 6 p.m. The ominous silence. The wind became slow and the sky full from the dark. Then the air flew very fast with a roar, and he saw some clouds covered of the ship. This is not cloud, but the waves. The writer says that he never seen this type of wave. The writer became very upset. The perfectly vertical and almost twice the height of the other waves. The writer became afraid. These waves broke the top of the ship.